Hello everyone, I'm Srishti and welcome to the day 2 of the 30 days yoga challenge. यह वीडियो इंग्लिश में है। अगर आप इस वीडियो को हिंदी में देखना चाहते हैं तो ऊपर दिए गए वे लिंक को दबाएं। And now we'll start the practice by coming into a comfortable seated posture. Both of the legs crossed, spine straight and both the hands rested on the thighs. Keep your eyes relaxed and breathe easy. We'll just stay here for a few seconds to find that grounding posture that will help us guide the practice. Find that breath. Breathe easy and relax your body. And now very gently open your eyes. We'll take some side stretches. Still seated in a comfortable posture, both of the hands to the side. Slowly start raising your right hand and start tilting your body towards the left side. Feeling the deep stretch on the right side, your right hand towards the left side. Stay there and breathe, making sure that you are not dumping your weight onto the left palm. No extra pressure on the left wrist. Stay and breathe for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly bring your right palm down. Neutral spine, and we'll take the same stretch on the other side. This time right hand on the floor, slowly start raising your left hand and tilt your body towards the right side. Feel the left arm extended towards the right side. Feel the stretch on the left side. Breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Both of the hands again on the ground, neutral spine. Breathe. And now come into your tabletop posture. We have already learned the tabletop in the day 1. So again reminding you to keep the wrist and the shoulder in line, knees and the hip in line, palms well spread, push the ground and make sure you're not dumping your body on your wrist. Keep the core engaged and breathe. From here, we'll take cat and cow. Inhale, drop the belly, look forward. Exhale, suck the belly in, chin to the chest, push the upper back towards the ceiling. Continue. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale. One more round. Inhale and exhale. Slowly now come into a neutral posture, your tabletop once again. And from here, we'll transition to puppy posture. With your knee and hips still in line, slowly start walking your palms forward and let your chest drop towards the ground. And let your forehead rest onto the ground. Make sure here that you are not shifting your hip towards the front. Hips and knees still in line. And breathe. Stay here, hold the posture. Make sure you are breathing naturally. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly start lifting yourself up. Again come into your tabletop. Again in your tabletop, make sure that you're not dumping your weight onto the shoulders. You're pushing the ground. Fingers are very well spread. And you're in your tabletop comfortably breathing. From here, we'll take few leg raises. Slowly start raising your right leg backward and up to your body level. Take a breath in here. Exhale. Slowly start dropping your right toe towards the ground and just let it tap on the ground. Inhale, again lift the right leg up to your body level. And exhale, drop and tap. 3 more. Inhale. Exhale, tap. Inhale, raise. Exhale, tap. One more time. Inhale, raise. And exhale, tap. Slowly bring your right knee inwards and again come into your tabletop. We'll take the same stretch on the other side. So just tapping the toes onto the ground with exhale and inhaling to raise. Slowly extend the left leg backward to your spine level. Take a breath in here. Exhale, tap gently and smoothly. Inhale. Exhale, tap. Inhale, raise. Exhale, tap. One last time. Inhale, raise. Exhale, tap. Again come into your tabletop and again then sit back in your Vajrasana. Relaxing the wrist one more time. So bring both of your arms to your shoulder level to the front. Create a fist and start rotating your wrist in any one direction. Relaxing the wrist a little bit here. Now in the opposite direction. And relax. Slowly now lift yourself up and stand to the center of the mat. Both of your palms resting on the thighs. And we'll take few hand raises, synchronizing the movement with the breath. So palms touching the thighs, spine straight. With an inhale, slowly start raising your arms upwards. Extend your arms overhead. If raising the arm too high is difficult for you, just raise to whatever level feels comfortable for you. And exhale, slowly again bring your palms on your thighs, relax. We'll do it few more times with the breath this time. Inhale, raise your arm, extend your arms overhead. Exhale, bring it down. 1. Inhale, raise. Exhale, down. Make sure you're synchronizing the breath. Don't just move. Inhale, raise. Exhale, down. 2 more times. Inhale, raise. Exhale, down. And one last time. Inhale, raise. And exhale, down. Relax. And now we'll try to synchronize the breath with the ankle movement. Keeping both of the hands to the waist, looking at a constant point. With an inhale, we'll slowly start raising our heels, coming on our tiptoe, creating a little balance here. And exhale, again slowly and gently we'll bring our heel down, feet very well grounded. You can once again look at me. With an inhale, I'm slowly raising my heel and exhaling to bring it back down. And now we'll practice together, but reminding you to not be too judgmental about your practice. Even if you lose your balance, that's completely fine. Don't be too much judgmental about the practice. Just relax and come back whenever you lose the balance. It's all part of the practice. And now we start. Both hands on your waist. Inhaling, slowly start coming on your tiptoes. Exhaling, sink your heel down. Few more times. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Try to maintain the balance for just 3 count. 3, 2, 1. Slowly relax, bring your heels down. Always remember that balance is a lot about your gaze, your drishti, and your breath. So try to ease your breath. Also look at a constant point to maintain the balance. And I'm sure with practice you'll definitely improve. And now we'll challenge ourselves a little bit more, including both the arms and the heel movement together. Just look at me once. Both the palms are rested on the thighs. With an inhale, I slowly start raising my arms and the heel, looking at a constant point. Exhaling, slowly bringing the heel and the arm down. Just 5 times together. Let's start. Inhale, start raising your heels and your arms. Exhale, slowly bring them down, synchronizing the movement with the breath. Inhale, raise. Exhale, down. 4 more times. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Relax. Breathe easy. And now we'll take the last posture standing on the mat for the day. Slowly bring both of your hands to the front. Join your palms together. We did the same practice by sitting on the mat yesterday. Today we'll take it by standing on the mat. So bring both of your palms together. Both of your arms are to your shoulder level. With an inhale, slowly start opening your arms. Bring them to your body level. Don't hyperextend. Exhale, join the palms together once again. We'll continue. Inhale, open your arms. And exhale, join the palms. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One more time. Inhale. And exhale. Slowly bringing the palms together. Relax your palm. And bring it right next to your body. Slowly lie down on your mat, on your back. We'll take few little posture to relax our body, and then we'll end the practice with Shavasana. Lying down on our back, slowly extend both of the hands to the side, 90-degree angle to your body. Cross your right leg over the left and shift your hip a little towards the right side. Then slowly start dropping both of your legs, your knees towards the left side, looking towards the ceiling or towards the right side. So you're looking in the opposite direction of your fallen knees. And just breathe here. A good way to just relax the spine. We started the practice with the spine stretch, doing cat and cow. And again we'll end the practice with some spine stretch. Breathe and relax. For 5 counts. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly lift your knees, unwrap your legs. Prepare for the same stretch on the other side. This time, wrap the left leg over the right. Shift the hip a little towards the left side. And drop both of your knees towards the right side, gazing towards the ceiling or in the opposite direction. Whatever feels more comfortable. Make sure both of your shoulders are very well grounded. You're relaxed here. Your breath is calm. And just stay there for another 5 counts. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Unwrap your legs and extend your body in Shavasana. In your Shavasana, completely relax your body. Adjust your shoulders, your thighs, whatever makes you feel most comfortable. So that while you are in your Shavasana, you feel most relaxed and you're not at all disturbed by anything. Shut your mind and listen to the sounds but do not indulge. Both of the palms lying right next to your body, facing upwards. And we'll stay in silence for another 1 minute here. Breathe and relax. Make sure you're not skipping this part. Relax your eyebrows. With your eyes still closed, slowly we'll wake up from Shavasana. Bring both of your legs together and stretch your arms overhead. Take a deep stretch from your fingertips to your toes and then slowly bending the knee, curl to one side and lift yourself up to Sukhasana. Both of the hands rested on your thighs. Breathe. Eyes still closed. And now gently bring both of your palms to your heart center in Namaskar Mudra. Start rubbing your palms against each other. Create some warmth. And then slowly place both of your palms over your face, covering the eyes. Give your face a very gentle massage here. And then slowly release the palms. Open your eyes, look straight into your palms. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed this practice with me. If you did, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Also, please let me know if you're connected with me through this challenge. I would love to hear from you. Hoping to meet you for the day 3. Until then, take care of yourself. Thank you.